Hey there everyone, Rambling Collector here, and I've been gone for quite a while, and for that I do apologize. But I figured, for my first video coming back officially to the channel, I would do something a little more special. So I've seen other booktubers doing this in the past, so I figured, why not take my own shot at it? So today will be our first book unboxing video. As you can see, I've got a lot here. So, funny thing about this, the reason why I have so many of these is because back when we thought TikTok was going to be completely gone, I was scrolling through and I found a couple of bundles that I'd wanted to buy before the shop went down completely. So that's where two of these have come in. The third one, however, is from my favorite author, R.I. Pulsgrove. And personally, I'm very excited to start all this off. So, with that being said, let's get started, shall we? We shall start with this one here, from Dark Sand Oasis Production. So for those of you who have been on Book Talk for a while, you've probably seen that there's an author on there from Dark Sand Oasis who has a manga bundle that they were selling of their first issues of their two new indie mangas. And I recently bought the box set, took a look at it, and let's go ahead and take a look at how they see. So first of all, we have here Night of Slaughter, Volume 1, and Devil's Deal, Volume 1. Both signed by the creator themselves, and frankly, just from the artwork and from what I've heard about how this is more of a dark fantasy type of stories, I'm very excited to see how this goes. Honestly, I really am. But more than that, the box set did come with an extra goodie of a very nice looking print. And just look at that for a second there. That is some gorgeous artwork right there. Frankly, not sure whether I want to get this framed or whether I just want to hang it up on the wall to add to the poster collage that I've got going on. But either way, this is going to be a fun little piece to add. Now, next up, we have the book by R.I. Pulsgrove. Let me just go ahead, pull out the scissors. Let's get this sucker opened up. And here we are. We now have Shadow's Vengeance, the third book of the Shadow Soul series by R.I. Pulsgrove. And honestly, I know that recently they've been shifting to a more basic cover art format, but this, along with the other Shadows books and how they all have individual chess pieces, I feel like this already just adds a good other addition to the collection, and quite frankly, I'm very excited to see more of R.I. Pulsgrove's works. I've just recently finished the first book of Shadows, that being Shadow's Embrace, which will be a future review here sometime soon. You can count on that. But honestly, if you want to check out some really good vampire stuff, would recommend R.I. Pulsgrove. I've covered their books on this channel for a while, and if you're curious, there's an entire playlist devoted to them alone, considering how many of their works I have done in the past. So, if you're interested in something that involves vampires, werewolves, zombies, I'd recommend giving this a shot, especially since this covers the vampires and werewolves war in the Dead Souls universe. So overall, another good addition to the collection. And last, but certainly not least, we have our final TikTok bundle right here. Let me just go ahead and get it cracked wide open. Give me 1 second here. This is going to be a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay. Last but not least, we have the Whist duology of graphic novels. So, this was the second bundle that I'd seen on the TikTok shop before it was starting to go down. And these were coming at a discounted price, but they already hooked me in from their dark fantasy horror genre already. And the cover art looks immaculate. I mean, look at this. You can't tell me after seeing something like this that you wouldn't want to buy it. But honestly, I'm very excited to start covering these, especially because, again, indie creators, y'all need more representation. Plain and simple. But overall, I'd say these are some damn good additions to the collection. Let's see what we got here. So we've got 2 manga volumes, Night of Slaughter and Devil's Deal, both volumes signed. We have the Whist graphic novels. And finally, last but not least, Shadow's Vengeance. And if you're curious, I will be covering Shadow's Embrace sometime soon. You can bet on that, as well as book 2 of the Shadow series, which I still need to catch up on. It's going to be a while for that, but we will get to it. I can promise you that. But, again, this is my first ever book unboxing video, and if you guys want to see me just unboxing books that I pick up from other authors, please let me know what you think. This was mostly just for fun and to kind of experiment a little bit, give a little shout out to some indie creators, and give them some time in the spotlight. But, if you like this video, let me know your thoughts down below, or let me know if you just think the cover art for some of these books looks cool. Overall, thank you so much for listening, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Now, the next question is, should I keep the box for Dark Sand Oasis, or not? I'll leave that up to you all. Alright, everyone have a good day, and keep being yourselves, fellow readers, and I'll see you all in the next video.